One of the best dishes you can try is coconut curry chicken. It's full of flavor, easy to make, and perfect for dinner. Here's how to make it. I'm putting everything in the description, by the way, okay? The ingredients: 1 pound of chicken, cut it into pieces. 2 tablespoons of curry powder. 1 onion, chopped up. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. A tablespoon of olive oil. 1 cup of bell peppers, chopped up. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Number 1. Heat the olive oil in a large pan over medium heat and add the chopped onions and cook it until it's soft. Number 2. Add the minced garlic and the curry powder and stir it for about a minute until it smells great. Number 3. Add the chicken pieces to the pan. Cook until all sides are all browned. Okay. Number 4. Pour in the coconut milk and add the chopped bell peppers. Stir everything together. Number 5. Simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked throughout and the sauce thickens. Number 6. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. It's up to you how much you want to put. Salt is good for you anyway. Serve this delicious coconut curry chicken over rice or with naan bread, Naan bread. It's a warm, comfortable meal that your whole family can enjoy.